Next on the list is the 1985 Merkur XR4TI Coupe. But it looks a little different, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
You know why it does?
Yes, because it has a Sierra Cosworth front end.
Which is odd looking because you're used to seeing them, but
they're odd looking cars, period.
To begin with, yeah. And then you take the Merkur and put that on it and graft it on it. It's like he was talking about, like Zach was talking about, some of the Holdens he's got and things like that are kind of that oddball. You know, there's a following for these XR4TIs. They're really, people love these things, and it's lowered. It's got a Holley Terminator EFI on it. It's a twin turbo 5-liter V8. So it's heavy.
Got a Mustang GT engine with twin turbos.
Yeah, with twin turbos. So, but it's probably heavier than a Mustang, I imagine.
Sounds great, though. I remember.
It really does.